Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find t value solution. 3 power t minus 2 power t equal to 65. Now we are going to write as this 3 power t whole power 1, same way 2 power t whole power 1 equal to 65. Now this 1 can be written as 2 by 2. So 3 power t whole power 2 by 2 minus 2 power 3 whole power 2 by 2 equal to 65. Now we know this express identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n. This we are going to implement here. So we'll get 3 power t. This denominator we are going to bring here. So by 2 whole power this 2 minus 2 power t by 2 whole power this 2 equal to 65. Now this 3 power t by 2 equal to x, same way 2 power t by 2 equal to y. So we are going to implement this here. So x square minus y square equal to 65. Now we are going to apply algebra formula that a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This algebra formula we are going to bring here. So we'll get x minus y, x plus y equal to 65. Now this 65 can be written as 1 times of 65, same way 5 times of 13, 13 times of 5, 65 times of 1. Now if you see this, this is x minus y is x plus y are equal. So we are considering this and rejecting this case. So this is case 1 we are going to apply here. Also this is case 2. Now we are going to implement this here. So we'll get x minus y, x plus y equal to this 64 can be written as from the case 1 times of 65. So this is case 1. So x minus y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 65. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now this y minus y plus y cancel each other. Here 2x equal to this is 66. So x equal to 33. We are going to substitute this x in equation 1. So we'll get x minus y equal to 1. Substituting this here. So 33 minus y equal to 1. Now moving this minus y right hand side, also this left hand side. So 33 plus 1 equal to y. Here it is y equal to 34. Now we found that x and y, recall this, x here is 3 power t by 2 equal to this x is 33. Same way y here is 2 power 2 by 2 equal to this 34. Now we are going to apply here log formula, that is log 3 power t by 2 equal to log 33. Same way here log 2 power t by 2 equal to log 34. Now as per this log power formula, t by 2 log 3 equal to log 33. Here t by 2 log 2 equal to log 34. Now t equal to here 2 log 33 by log 3. Here t equal to log 34. Here 2 by this log. Here t equal to 2 times of log 33 base 3. Here t equal to 2 log 34 base 2. These are the possible in first case. Now we are going to implement this in second case. Case 2, x minus y, x plus y equal to 5 times of 13. So x minus y equal to 5, x plus y equal to 13. Here x minus y equal to 5, this is equation 3. X plus y equal to 13, this is equation 4. Now we are going to add this, so we'll get 2x here 18. So divide by 2 on both sides, we'll get x equal to 9. Here substituting this 9 in this equation 3, 9 minus y equal to 5. Moving this right hand side, so 9 minus 5 equal to y. So here 4 equal to y. This is the y value. Now we are going to recall this. 3 power t by 2 equal to x here is 9 and 2 power t by 2 equal to 4. This y equal to 4. Now this can be written as 3 to the power of t by 2 equal to, this is 3 to the power of 2. Here 2 to the power of t by 2 equal to 2 to the power of 2. Now base are same, so power should be the same. So t by 2 equal to 2. Same way here, the base are same, power should be the same. So t by 2 equal to, now here t equal to 2 times of 2. This 2 comes here. Same way here 2 times of 2. This is t equal to 4 here, t equal to 4 here. This is the solution in case 2. Thanks for watching this video.